Abo igokuru asensemo yabo gisiri gotoka ebunge yabo getutu chache sauti county ya Kisii nikongo kumnya kuika ase bunge ya Machoge chache ikunya kwa gotoka imie county ya Kisii ase abari mukuru ase skuru yo banyako bakuboria abor kiwa banyako bosibanya ko bakuboria abiburi banyako bakobera abor kiwa usabana babo maiso ana mono chinga kibakunya ko bagukina bwo bakunya ko bagochora ibigwango gose bitengo uraje kunya ko bagoswa ase obugimo bwiga kurengana amono mwalimu omonene bw'eskuru yo Shadrack Michoti eskuru ya Matagaro SDA comprehensive niganya ko bagakubura eserikali ene kibuna komentere abarimu kubwatikana omubaro bw'abana nigonya ko bagakomentekana ase chiskuru ao ne yire buya abari banyako bakomento indaba kiwabo banyako bakonyora amasomo buna iganiri korengana ne katiba ya Kenya
Career guidance no gochora chikos ichi abana bago chigokora ikero bakozire kirasi 12 ono ese junior school tobwate mirimo emenge iyo abana bagokora nekero bakorire kero bagocha gukora kirasi kianda ebagocha kogenda ase chinjira isatu monere ikorokwa science, technology, engineering and mathematics iyo gocha koira abana bari bagotaka ko baba nyagitari bandi bagotaka ko baba engineer inere nsemo yabo abandi bagende itokoroka social sciences ye gocha kotwara languages iyo ere Gisongo ni Kiswahili nandi tware humanities bari bataite ko abagambi lawyers nseme yunero bagoswa neyende nero koroku sport science and arts iyo bwate performing arts visual arts iyo ego taka abana bari babwate chitalanta chiogotera.
Okay, already as mangana CPC idangani literia ne Shadrack Michoti the principal Matagaro SDA boarding comprehensive school. In our station we have 4 teachers in charge of junior school na walimu awaiga watatu bande ba junior school wanafanya kazi nzuri. One, already since they started working, this is the second year. Serikali ya mukiri atua yoko confirm from 1st July, especially in the budget also malero igekete them because it has put aside 8 billion to confirm our teachers. Nene njira ya myo motivate these teachers through Teacher Service Commission so that they can motivate abana baiga ba CPC mono. Kato wanto kwa ne ya CPC yebwata mangana abere yebwata mangana maya ororo yebwata na gaps aya maya litangani abana babere abangi school in junior school enrollment ya very high ekora no mani yo kuiro tayo na inda abana babere attracted ekogera bako ikagirate 9 bagenda into 3 branches. Mwanta yochiko kutoko ule gosoe utigaire abandi bagende vocational training abandi bagende talent development abandi bagende academic buna already yategiro kwaneka with the in charge of career guidance uyo kwa na litangani ekogera abana abonsi already they applicated igwe kitokoranga CPC and like it for it is focusing to learners and it is child centered because in campus amangano ya abana umwana uteko genda talent development kiona wako genda academic uteko genda academic na wako vocational, so those 3 branches kilo mwana wikato ko thus it has influenced and attracted high enrollment in our schools. Akira enrollment eko attracted, we have also gaps abana barabangi abalimu barabake, so otogo request our government ili kabalimu abangi egekogero abana ba mentre abangi mono asengencho invitation teyo